Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bhai classes. In this class we are going to discuss about another important topic in respiration, gases exchange. Gases exchange at lungs level. Generally alveoli to capillaries. Alveoli to capillaries. Now let us come to the topic. In the process of respiration, the air passes through these nostrils, pass through these different regions of this windpipe, and finally it reaches to lungs. Once the air passes through these lungs, inside the lungs the small air sacs is present inside the lungs, that is commonly called as alveolus or alveoli. So in this alveoli, gases exchange takes place. Gases exchange means what? Some of the gases are enter into the blood vessels and some gases are coming out from the blood capillaries. So this process is known as exchange of gases. In this class we are going to discuss about how this gases exchange takes place inside the alveoli, alveoli to capillaries and capillaries to alveoli, vice versa. Generally, the gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli is the process of diffusion. The process of diffusion. So this diffusion is the common term used for this transfer of materials. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the process in which the molecules are transferred from high concentration area to low concentration area. So this is the process of diffusion. So gases exchange observed in this alveoli are commonly through the process of diffusion. Next, how this diffusion process is observed in this alveoli or see in this. Next, the alveolus is a small chamber that is also known as air sacs. So it is a single cell thickness and this is surrounded by a numerous blood capillaries are present. These blood capillaries are also single cell thickness which is covered in this alveoli. Inside the blood capillaries, the blood pass through this So inside the blood capillaries, the blood is passed through this. So these blood capillaries are also single cell thickness and the air sacs are also single cell thickness. So in this is alveolus and this is blood capillary. Blood capillaries. In this, how this gases exchange takes place? Through the process of diffusion. So once the air pass through this nostrils to lungs, so inside the lungs the alveolus is present. So whenever we inhale the air pass through this inside the alveolus. In that inside air they having oxygen and carbon dioxide and nitrogen and some other gases are present inside this. So all these gases are coming into the alveolus. Next, at the same time, the blood, generally the blood present from the heart, generally whenever the blood present in that heart or pass through these capillaries which is surrounded the alveolus is generally dark blood. So that means in this blood having less amount of oxygen. Here low amount of oxygen. So at the time the blood is turned into dark color blood. So generally dark red color. Dark blood means not dark, dark red. The dark red blood coming from that heart are passed through these blood capillaries. So once the dark red color blood pass through these blood capillaries, here generally the oxygen concentration is very low. So at the time what happened, whenever we inhale, at the time of inhalation the air pass into that alveoli. In this alveoli the oxygen concentration is more. So generally what happened at the time of passing through this dark red color blood in this blood capillaries, the oxygen generally diffused into the blood capillaries which is surrounded by alveolus. At the same time, here the carbon dioxide is rich or high amount of carbon dioxide is present in that blood. So this carbon dioxide are diffused into the inside the alveolus. So after, whenever the carbon dioxide enter into that air sac or alveolus and the oxygen enter into that blood capillaries. So here what happened? The exchange of gases takes place. Exchange of gases takes place how? The oxygen is present in that alveolus is entering into the capillaries. The carbon dioxide present in the capillaries are entering the air sacs. Here what happened? The gases are exchanged. After exchange of gases, the blood pass through these capillaries. So at the time, whenever the oxygen present in that air sac or alveoli are entering into the blood it is turned into bright red color. Bright red color. So the bright red color, it indicates the oxygen which have more amount of oxygen. So whenever the oxygen enter into that blood capillaries, pass through these capillaries, so at the time the bright red color blood is passed through these capillaries, and this bright red color blood is passed through these capillaries from alveolus to heart. From this heart the blood is supplied all the body parts. So what happened here? The dark red blood passed through these blood capillaries. At the time, the gas which is present in that alveolus are passed through these blood capillaries, At the same time, the carbon dioxide present in the blood capillaries are passed or diffused into the alveolus. Whenever the carbon dioxide are diffused into that alveolus, the blood is turned into bright red color. So that means the oxygen is present in that blood, that is known as bright red color blood. This bright red color blood is passed through this blood capillaries and it reaches to heart, and heart too they supply the all the body parts. So the oxygenated blood is passed through this all the body parts. So this is the simple process of exchange of gases in this alveoli and alveoli to blood capillaries. So this entire process takes place inside the alveolus. This alveolus is a small sac-like structure which is present in the lungs. So alveolus is the structural and functional units of this lungs. So the process of exchange of gases, the composition of gases are also changed. For example, when we are observing that inhalation, generally gases and percentage observed in inhalation and percentage observed in exhalation. So generally the gas which is present in that oxygen, generally in atmospheric air they have 21% of that oxygen, and once we are tested the exhalation, at the time of exhaled air that are also having 16% of that oxygen. In that carbon dioxide, generally 0.03 or sometimes 0.04, and these are, when we are observing that exhaled air, generally 4% of this carbon dioxide is observed in this exhaled air. And nitrogen, when we are taking that nitrogen, so approximately 78% of that nitrogen is present in that atmosphere. So the inhaled air having 78%, and when the exhalation, at the time also the nitrogen is observed in this 78% only. So what we conclude that whenever the oxygen present in that inhalation process, the air, that means the oxygen present in that air passed into these blood capillaries. So whenever observed that exhaled air, the air having more concentration of this carbon dioxide. So what happened here? Inhaled air, the only 0.03% only. So that means very less amount of carbon dioxide is present in that inhalation process. So when we are exhaled air, at the time the concentration of that carbon dioxide is more. So that means most of the carbon dioxide which is present in that capillaries are exchanged into that air sacs. Once the carbon dioxide come into that air sacs, they are come outside in the process of exhalation. So when inhale the air, the pass into the air sacs are exchanged into that blood capillaries. So here nitrogen, they are not play any role in this exchange of gases. Why? Because that is nitrogen no role play in that process of respiration. So the nitrogen inhalation and exhalation, both the composition of nitrogen is not changed. So this is the small topic which is related to respiration. So if you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment on it. If you want more videos from my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.